Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play. Alrighty, let's get into it. If you don't know, my name is Carrie. Miss Carrie, baby. It's one of the girls I'm following IG. Alright, y'all, so let's get into it, y'all. Welcome to 2024. I know it is later, like probably mid-year. Your girl have not been recording much videos, but I promise you guys I'm going to get back to it, get back into the groove. Because, you know, 2024 has been looking really good. So I gotta continue the memo of just good blessings coming into 2024. So let's continue with the YouTube, okay? I am back with another video. I know it's been a long time coming, but your girl is back, period. Alright, y'all, so today I am back with another bag review. Woo-hoo. Look at this beauty right here. So this is the Coach backpack, y'all. When I seen this online, I was like, yes, I got to get it because it's hella cute. Like, look how cute this freaking backpack is. I absolutely love it. Oh, so let's go ahead and get into the details and the review of this bag. So if you like what you see here today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into it. So let's go ahead and get into the details of this bag. Of course, in the beginning of this video, y'all saw I did the unboxing of this particular bag. Now, I did order this bag from Macy's because on the Coach website, they were sold out. But as you guys already know, Macy's sells Coach bags. So I did order this particular one from Macy's, y'all. I think I seen it on like TikTok or somewhere, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's hella cute. Let me get it. Y'all already know Coach has been coming out with really cute styles, and like everything is just looking really good. This is definitely from the Tabby collection. The Tabby collection I absolutely love. I was thinking about getting like the little pink Tabby because that is really cute, but today we're talking about the backpack, honey. We're talking about the black Tabby backpack. Like, y'all, look how cute this purse is. Look how freaking adorbs this cute backpack is. Like, ooh. Alright, y'all, so this particular bag is called the Tabby backpack quilting. As you can see, it has that quilting style. The leather is a really soft. As you already know, Coach comes through when it comes to the leather. Good quality. This particular leather on this bag is a Napa leather. Like, it's really cute. Like, get into it. See, this is the front of the bag. It comes with these two little pockets. Let me turn down the light a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, that's better. So this is the particular purse. It has these two little pockets here in the front. Oh, I haven't really taken the paper out of here, so if you guys see paper in here, like whatever. But it has like the two little pockets here in the front. Both are functional. It's like you close it, you kind of twist it here. And then it also has Coach written right here in the front of the bag. If you guys can see it. If not, I'll put a little close-up video on the side. So here are the two little pockets here in the front. And then also this is just the front flap of the bag. It has this cute big Coach C right here in the front. And then you kind of open it up here. It has like the drawstrings here. And then also has Coach written here on the brass. Coach, baby, Coach. So this is the front of the bag. This is the sides. As you can see, has the drawstrings. Also has the Coach tag here on the side, which I think is really cute. And then this is the back of the bag. So it has like these straps here in the back. You can kind of adjust them to how you want it to be. There's a 19-inch drop that you can kind of drop it low and kind of wear it on your back. You can kind of tighten it up to wear it up a little bit higher. But this is the back of the particular bag. the straps. Y'all, I just love these freaking straps. Like these metal straps just reminds me of a cute like Chanel bag, but it's really, really cute. But these are the straps. So it has like the little backpack straps in the back, and then right here, I think you can really like kind of tote it like this. I have to figure out a way to do that, but I'll probably show you guys in the video once I figure it out. But you can kind of tote it like this in the front. So here's the outer layer of the backpack, which is really, really, really cute. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into the inside of this bag. So I'm going to take all this stuff out because y'all know I just got the bag. You know, I did the unboxing for you guys, so I really haven't really tested it out. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. A lot of paper. Okay, everything is out of the bag. You know, I want to keep it in, make it look a little plush for you guys. Y'all, it is hot in here. This is the inside of the bag. As you can see, it is lined in like this little... It's kind of like a white, like a cream and black kind of knitting in the inside of the bag. Of course, it has like the brown trimming with the Coach in the back. They also have an extra pocket here as well. The bag is pretty big. It's pretty spacious. As you can see, it has the drawstring right here where you can be able to drawstring the bag, close it, and clamp it down. Now, one thing I can say about this is the clamp is not really like sturdy. It just feels like it'll just flap off at any time. That's one thing that I noticed about the bag is that the clamp is not like, I don't know, like buckled down really good. But overall, this is the particular Coach Tabby backpack. This is a classic black and gold bag. This particular bag also comes in a cream and gold, and it also comes in like a hot pink and gold. Now, y'all already know I am a sucker for hot pink, but you know, I wanted to go with something a little bit more classy, something that looks really, really good with my outfits. But definitely, as I get to wear this bag, I might also cop the hot pink one because it is really, really cute. But y'all, this is the overall view of this bag. It is a decent size. So the length of this bag is an 8.75. The height of this bag is an 8.25. And the width of this bag is at a 5.25. So it is really a decent size. Like, y'all, you can put a lot in here. So that's one thing that I like. Like, the bag is really, really cute, stylish. Like, look how cute this is. Really, really cute. So you can wear this bag a couple of different ways. You can wear it as a cute little crossbody. Ooh, cute backpack on the side. Ooh, this is what we call a multi-functional bag. Oh, but yeah, guys, this is the overall review of this cute Tabby quilted backpack. Ooh, you better get you one. Alright, guys, so that will conclude today's video. If you like what you see here today, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.